हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन इंस्ट्रक्शन वीडियो फॉर क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स पेपर। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि 10th क्लास का टाइम टेबल आपका आ चुका है एंड मैथमेटिक्स पेपर हैज़ बीन शेड्यूल्ड ऑन 11 मार्च. So today we are here for discussing about how to write your paper, how to manage your time while writing time, and what is the paper pattern. All things we are discussing here. So this is your 041. Firstly, look at here. 041 code for standard mathematics and 241 code for the basic mathematics. And this is your paper pattern. The paper contains total 5 parts: section A, section B, section C, and section D and section E. Section A, total 20 question you have to attend, and this is the weightage of the whole part of section A is 20, and each question has 1 marks weightage. Section B, total 5 question you have to attend in this section, and each question has marks weightage 2 marks, and total marks of this portion is 10. And section C, total 6 question is there. Total 6 question is there, and each question has 3 marks weightage, and total marks you can see here 18 marks from this section. And section D, total 4 question you have to attend, and 5 marks each weightage. Total marks of this section 20 marks. And section E, this is the case based study questions are there, and total 3 questions you have to attempt, and each question has 4 marks weightage. So total 12 marks you can cover from this section. Now come for syllabus, and this is your syllabus described in a 7 unit. The first unit number system, second unit algebra, third unit coordinate geometry, fourth unit geometry, fifth unit trigonometry, sixth unit mensuration, and seventh unit statistics and probability. And which chapters are coming in which unit you can see here we have shown. And the number system contains only single chapter, real number, and real number covered only 6 marks of your paper. So what is the real number contains which topic? LCM, HCF, the proof of the irrational number, and factors of the number. So by these topics you can cover chapter number 1. And algebra has 4 chapters. The chapter number 2 polynomials, chapter number 3 linear equation in 2 variable, chapter number 4 quadratic equation, and chapter number 5 arithmetic progression. So all chapters you have to cover, and total 20 marks are there for the 4 chapter, and at least 1 marks for 5 marks weightage will come from this section. This is the algebra. 5 marks will come from this section, and last year I have seen that quadratic equation question with 5 marks weightage in section D. So you can cover properly that chapter, and 5 marks maybe you will get in this year also. And unit number 3 coordinate geometry contains only single chapter coordinate geometry, and coordinate geometry has 6 marks weightage here. Only 2 formula is there. So one formula for distance formula, and second formula section formula. Now unit number 4 geometry contains only 2 chapters, triangle and circle, and this is the whose weightage given of the both chapter 15 marks. So definitely you will get a one question 5 marks weightage with this chapter also. So please cover this triangle properly, and 10 number circles chapter you can cover by the NCERT and additional question also. Now unit 5th trigonometry. Trigonometry contains only 2 chapters, introduction of the trigonometry, and 9 chapters, some application of the trigonometry. Chapter 8 contains trigonometry ratios, trigonometry table, and 3 identities. Trigonometry 3 identities are there. And chapter 9, some application of trigonometry. 2 concepts are there. First is elevation angle, and second is depression angle. Elevation angle given or depression angle given your question doesn't matter, बनता एंगल बेस पर ही है. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट फॉर दिस चैप्टर. सो प्लीज केयरफुली यू हैव टू मेक योर एंगल. हाइट अगर ज्यादा होगा तो एंगल भी बढ़ेगा, हाइट अगर कम होगा तो एंगल भी कम होगा. डिस्टेंस अगर आप ज्यादा कवर करेंगे, डिस्टेंस जितना सोर्स से आप दूर जाएंगे एंगल कम होगा, जितना सोर्स के पास आएंगे आपका एंगल बढ़ेगा. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फ्यू पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू केयरफुली पुट इन दिस चैप्टर. And now the next unit is 6 number unit mensuration. Total 2 chapters are there, chapter number 11 area related to circles, and chapter number 12 surface area and volume. And chapter number 11 contains only two concepts, sector formula and segment formula. And apart from these, the one more formula is there. This is the simple formula, sector length formula. So now arc length formula also you have to prepare. And chapter number 12 surface area and volume, total 6 diagrams, 3D diagram you have to cover. First is cuboid, second cuboid, third is cylinder, and the fourth number is cone, fifth number is sphere, and sixth number is hemisphere. So all surface areas, curved surface area and total volume of the 3D figure you have to cover from this chapter. Do that students, beta, do that. Make a chart of the surface area and volume chapter and paste on the wall, and daily you have to see and remember that formulas carefully. Now this is the chapter, last chapter is 7 number, statics and probability. Total 2 chapters are there in this unit. 13 chapters statics and 14 chapters probability. Statics contains only 3 concepts, mean, mode, median. So you have to carefully read that formula. If your formula is correct, then you can cover the whole marks from the paper also, because formula totally based, this chapter totally based on the formula. If you are learn the carefully your formula, you can cover the whole marks also. Now the second is probability. Probability, many concepts are there, only single formula you are following for solving your question. The favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, and you have to cover the some special examples for probability. First is colored balls, second is numerical numbers, third is dice, double dice and single dice, both types questions, and third is 3 coins and 2 base coins, 2 coins and 3 coins base questions, and last is your colored ball already. Okay, so now these 7 units we have covered in this paper. And if you are preparing your paper, you can get the good marks also from this from your mathematics paper. Okay, this is the proper instruction I have given to you, Peter. You have to follow properly and you can cover the maximum marks from your paper. Thank you, students.